everyone, Brett here, Lionheart 84, and not a plant video today. I'm at a classic car show locally, so I'll walk around and show a few of the lovely cars. Mix of American cars, European cars, lovely Mustang Fastback there for my American viewers. Some modern British classics, Ford Fiesta. Show-winning Chevy Bel Air, 57 Bel Air. Know the owner of that car, it's magnificent. Very quirky Nash Metropolitan. I think the colour scheme's coral and white. It's always nice going to these local shows and you get to see a few interesting bits and pieces. They have 1930s Austin 7. Next to it about a 65, 66 Mustang Coupe, hardtop coupe, magnificent looking car. Not easy to find nice American cars in this country, but this one is exceptional. Not sure I like that one too much. Each to their own. A small chopped Morris Minor. Beautiful Zodiac. Now that's a decent hot rod. And they have a fair here, fun fair here as well for anyone interested. So there's bumper cars or Dodgems over there. Very rare over here, a pickup truck, a Ranchero, with factory aircon as well. Pontiac 8, what a magnificent looking car. Classic Volvo P1800, as featured in the TV series The Saint. Fortunately, in the world of classic cars, there's someone for everything. There's a car for everybody. Look at that. Not my cup of tea, but it's certainly interesting. Very rare Ford Granada Coupe, fastback next to it. Triumph 2000s, Sprite, Morris Minor van. Amazing what people turn up at in these shows. Restored pickup truck. Very nice 6 Series. I think it's some kind of MG. It's gone.
Done a little job this morning.
So we'll carry on, stop to talk to a friend. I think that's a Triumph with rear dicky seat. Magnificent Capri. Beautiful Capri.
I couldn't sell it.
Boy, it's really hot today. It's we're in June. It's probably about it's probably about 28 or 29 degrees centigrade at the moment. So about 80, 83, 84 Fahrenheit. So very, very, very hot. Big block Corvette, about a 1970 Corvette 454. That's very rare in this country. Staying fastback, Shelby GT500 like I used to have, which I've sold. Can't afford to keep these toys nowadays. Merc SL for sale, not a very nice car. One of my good friends owns this, a Lotus Cortina Mark II. It's a genuine Lotus Cortina. Ford Galaxy 500 convertible, 1964. This guy's the second owner. He's had this forever. Seen it in shows for many, many years. Got a 67 or 68 Mustang Fastback. This one comes complete with, amusingly, Steve McQueen sitting in the passenger seat. I don't think he'd be happy in the passenger seat normally. If you've seen the film Bullet, it's the model that was featured in that. Absolutely magnificent Buick GS. Absolutely startling condition. So 65. Absolutely magnificent car. Nicest paintwork I've seen on an American car over here. Whoever restored that should be proud of the work they did. Look at that. Fabulous.
1965, first generation.
Pontiac GTO with a hood tack. Yeah, always nice coming to a local show like this once in a blue moon. See some nice stuff here. And of course, I'm going to have myself a very unhealthy burger in a minute, which I feel I deserve, as I normally eat very healthily. Like these interesting Corvairs, because they're rear engines. Look at that. Fascinating cars. Not very popular back in the day, because they were very, the handling was very dodgy on them. Chevrolet Corvair Monza. Anyway, thought it would might interest people for a change instead of my usual plant-based videos. Obviously the plant enthusiasts who don't like cars won't have bothered watching. Thanks for watching the video, much appreciate it. Again, please give me a thumbs up. And welcome to share the video. And subscribe to my channel, but that'll be for plants, not cars. And I'll catch up with you all soon. Brett out for now.